Hello everyone! Do you want to download an app that isn't available in your country, or have you moved and need to change the region on your Apple ID account? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily change the country and region of your Apple ID directly on your iPhone. Follow the steps and customize the App Store to fit your needs. Let's get started. First, go to the home screen of your phone, find the settings, and open them. Once you're in the settings, the next thing you need to do is tap on your name at the top of the screen. After that, the next step is to find the Media and Purchases option and tap on it. Then in the menu that appears, tap on View Account. Now that you're on the account settings page, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Country Region. Now, when changing the region of your Apple ID, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you need to have a valid payment method specific to the new country or region, such as a credit card or PayPal account linked to that location. Also, if you have remaining balance on your Apple ID, such as gift cards or Apple Credit, you'll need to use them before changing the region, as the balance cannot be transferred to another region. Changing the region can affect the availability of apps and content, so apps or subscriptions that were available in the previous region may not be available after the change. Also, some Apple services may work differently in the new region, so it's recommended to check if everything is functioning properly after the change. So, if you're sure you want to change the region, tap on the Change Country or Region option. You will now see a list of available countries and regions. Choose your desired country, let's say the United States. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Agree. After that, you'll need to enter the payment method details valid for that country, as well as a billing address. This is how Apple prevents users from falsely changing their country without proper data. Once you've entered the details, tap Next in the top right corner, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.